Hello, children. My name is Mr. Andrew. I'm your mathematics teacher. We are having math lesson this morning. The topic is titled length. Now, length, we are going to look at length, defining length, and also conversion of length. Now, we are going to do it together. Now, under length there, we have changing of kilometer to meter and meter to kilometer. And also, we have addition and subtraction of lengths. Now, children, these are the things I want you to know after this lesson. One, you should be able to define what is called length of objects, and also to change meter to centimeter and centimeter to meter respectively. And again, you should be able to add and subtract lengths. Now look at the conversion of length. We are going to define length together, or you repeat after me. Length of an object is defined as how long or short the object is. Everybody repeat after me. Good. You are good children. Now look at the conversion there. We have length. 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. And 100 centimeter is equals to 1 meter. Excel. Answer this question. If 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter, then 300 centimeter will give us how many meter? Good. Excel, you are a good child. Clap for him. Now, we are going to look at the examples under it. Now, the example said, look at these instructions. If you are changing centimeter to meter, you divide by 100. And if you are changing meter to centimeter, you multiply by 100. Do you understand me? Regina, if you are changing centimeter to meter, what do you do? Good, good. That is the correct answer. Clap for her. Now look at the examples. They say change to meters. 1, 625 centimeter. 2, number 2, 200 centimeter. Then example 2, they say change to centimeters only, and the question is 8 meter 43 centimeter. We are going to solve it together. Now question number, please don't make noise. Make sure you get your note copied. I will be moving around to check and to get those that will not copy their note. If I get you, if you don't copy your note, I will punish you in the class and also take you to sister's office. Now answer number 1. How do you change 625 centimeter to meters? Look at it. 6 meter will give us, if you are changing it to centimeter, it will give you 600 centimeter. And then the 25 centimeter, it's already in centimeter. By the time you change 6 meter to centimeter, you get 600 centimeter. Then change 600 centimeter to meter, you have 6 meter. That is, you divide it by 100. And when you divide 25 centimeter by 100, you get 0.25 meter. So when you add them together, who will tell us the answer? Good. Mohammed, your answer is correct. Clap for him. Now you are adding 6 meter plus 0.25 meter. The 0 will be removed and you have 6.25 meter. Thank you. You are good children. Then example 2, we have 200 centimeter change to meter. You equally divide it by 100. When you divide it by 100, who can tell us the answer? Thank you. Friday, your answer is correct. Class, clap for him. You are good children. Then number 3, we have 8 meter 43 centimeter changed to centimeter. Now look at it. 8 meter will be converted to centimeter by multiplying 8 by 100, you get 800 centimeter. Then when you do that, you add, the two of them become centimeter. That is 843. Then you add them together. If you add these two things together, who can tell you the answer? Thank you. Your answer is correct. Oh, who is that? Oh, Excel. Your answer is very correct. Clap for him. The answer is 843 centimeter. Then how do you change kilometer to meter and also meter to kilometer? Long distances are measured in kilometer. Look at it. 1 kilometer will give us 1,000 meter, and 1,000 meter will give us 1 kilometer. So salamatu. 2,000 meter will give us how many kilometer? No. That is not the answer. You tried, but that is not the answer. Sunday, yeah. The answer is correct. Clap for Sunday. Though salamatu too tried. You are good children. Now let's look at the examples under it. Example 1. They say change 3 kilometer to meter. At least you multiply 3 by 1,000. What will be the answer? Thank you, class. I said we are going to be doing the examples together. You got the answer. Clap for yourselves. Number 2, they say change 2,350 meter to kilometer. How do you do it? Thank you, Johnson. You divide it by 1,000. And if you divide it by 1,000, your answer will be what? Good. That is the answer. And thank you so much. So when if you change 1 kilometer to meter, then by changing 3 kilometer to meter, you have 3,000 meter. How do you get 3,000 meter? Thank you. Esther, your answer is correct. The answer is 3,000 meter. Clap for her. Then they say meter to kilometer. What do? You divide by 1,000. Then kilometer to meter, you multiply by 1,000. So, in answering example 2, 2,350 meter will be divided by 1,000. And when you do that, your answer will be what, class? Oh, you are a good boy. A clap for him. The answer is 2.35 kilometer. And how did he get the answer? Look at it. You divide 2,350 meter by 1,000. You strike the first zero there on top. We strike the first zero down. You are left with 235 divided by 100. So you now move 2 steps forward. In between 2 and 3, you have established decimal points in between 2 and 3. And those two steps you have moved from 2 forward has cancelled the 2 zeros in the 100. And your answer will be 2.35 kilometer. Look at example 3 there. We have 4 kilometer, 285 kilometer to meters. Now, you first of all change the 4 kilometer to meter by multiplying 4 times 1,000. What will be the answer there? Thank you, Monica. The answer there is 4,000 meter. Then you now add it to 285 meter. Who can tell us the answer? Thank you. Janet, your answer is correct. 4,285 meter. Clap for her. Then we now go to addition and subtraction of length. Make sure get your note copied. If I see you and you are not writing, I will punish you. I'm not just punishing you. After punishing you in the class, I'll take you to sister's office. How do you add length and subtract length? Look at it. Examples there. Under it, example 1, we have is given in meter and centimeter. We have 3 there is under meter, then 20 is under centimeter. We have 109. 1 is under meter, and 0 and 9 is under centimeter. How do you add it? You add it the normal way you add numbers. Since meter and centimeter, they are the units. Since it's indicated at the top, don't bring it down to the answer again. So, look at it. We always add numbers from the unit side. 0 plus 9 will give us what? 9. Thank you. You are good children. 2 plus 0 will give us what? 2. Thank you. Then 3 plus 4. 3 plus 1 will give us 4. Thank you very much. You are trying. Then your answer becomes 429. There is no decimal point there. Good. Example 2, there is a decimal point. We have 6.46. It's not, some of you call it 6.46. It's wrong. The correct thing is 6.46 minus 2.35. We are going to subtract it the way we subtract ordinary numbers. And we start from the unit side. 6 minus 5 will give us what? Johnson, what is the answer? 1. Good. Thank you. That is the answer. Then 4 minus 3 will give us what? 1. You are good children. Then 6 minus 2 will give us what? 4. Then since this one has a decimal point, you trace your decimal point down there, and your answer becomes what? 4.11. Thank you, children. You are good. And clap for yourselves. Then example 3, they say we should subtract 3.54 from 9.57. Like I told you, don't call it 9.57, it's 9.57, and it's 3.554. Now let's go. Let's do it together. 7 take away 4 will give us what? Friday, what is the answer? 3. And thank you. Then 5 minus 5 will give us what? Salamatu. What is the answer? 0. Good. If you minus 5 from 5, nothing is left, and you get a 0. Thank you. Then 9 take away 3 will give us what? 6. Your answer becomes what, class? How do you pronounce this answer? Good. That is a correct way of pronouncing it. Your answer is 6.03. I told you, get your note copied. Everybody must copy this note so that it will help you in your exam. You read it against your exams. Thank you so much for listening. And these are your class activities. Make sure do it, then bring it to my table for marking. And thank you.